Hello friends, welcome to Review Therapy. Today we are here with a new and fresh episode of Review Therapy, and today we are here to review the most latest smartphone, which is the iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max. So basically we are reviewing the two smartphones, so let's the review begins. So now first of all let's talk about the general specifications of the iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max. So both the smartphone runs on iOS 12 operating system, which is the iPhone operating system, and they have the hexa-core CPU, they have the 4 GB of RAM, they have dual main camera of 12 megapixel while 7 megapixel front selfie camera. Both the smartphones have non-removable lithium-ion battery, and both the smartphone runs on Apple A12 Bionic chipset. So the main thing comes here, that what is the difference between both the smartphones. So for this you have to stay connected with us till the end of our video. So we will show the detailed specs at the end of our video. Stay tuned to our video. Now coming to the smartphone. First we will talk about the finish. iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max comes in gold, space gray and silver color. There are three different variants. One is of 64 GB, the other is 256 GB, and the third one is of 512 GB. So coming to the size and weight, the iPhone XS height is 5.65 inches while width is 2.79 inches, while iPhone XS Max height is 6.20 inches and 3.05 inches weight. Now the iPhone XS weighs 177 grams, while the iPhone XS Max weighs up to 208 grams. Coming to the display, iPhone XS has 5.8 inch Super Retina HD display with OLED multi-touch technology, and the iPhone XS Max has the 6.5 inch Super Retina HD display with OLED multi-touch technology. The iPhone XS have the 2436 by 1125 pixel resolution at 458 ppi, while the iPhone XS Max has the 2688 by 1242 pixel resolution at 458 ppi. Both the models have the True Tone display, white color display, 3D touch and fingerprint-resistant oleophobic coating. Now coming to the phone, it supports the splash, water and dust resistant, rated by IP68, maximum depth of 2 meters up to 30 minutes. It has been tested and under IEC standards 60529. It runs on A12 Bionic chipset, the next generation neural engine. They have the dual 12 megapixel camera with wide angle and telephoto cameras. Now coming to the video recording, they support 4K video recording at 24 fps, 30 fps or 60 fps, which is really great. They have the true depth camera of 7 megapixel with aperture f2.2. The Face ID has been improved here, enabled by true depth camera for facial recognition, Apple Pay. Now this is the new feature which comes with the Face ID. It says that pay with your iPhone using Face ID in stores, within apps and on the web. Send and receive money in messages, complete purchases made with Apple Pay on your Mac. So the phone is really amazing. Now let's talk about something different, some physical look of the smartphone. So at the left it has the volume up and down buttons and ring and silent button. At the front panel in the notch, it has the built-in stereo speaker built-in microphone, and at the right side it has the side button, which is also used in Apple Pay for enabling the Face ID. So at the bottom it has the lightning connector, built-in microphone and built-in stereo speaker. Coming to the power and battery, so iPhone XS battery lasts up to 30 minutes longer than iPhone X, while the iPhone XS Max battery lasts up to 1.5 hours longer than iPhone X, which means that iPhone XS Max has the stronger battery than iPhone X and iPhone XS. So both models support built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, wireless charging works with Qi chargers, charging via USB to computer system or power adapter. So now coming to the sensors, both the smartphone includes Face ID, barometer, 3-axis gyro, accelerometer, proximity sensor and ambient light sensor. Coming to the operating system, they have the iOS 12. iOS is the world's most personal and secure mobile operating system, packed with powerful features that help you get the most out of every day. So this was our review. So in my opinion, the iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max are amazing smartphones, best smartphones ever, and the best and the most expensive smartphones ever, because they are too much expensive, but they provide best user experience, and the performance is just amazing. With the A12 Bionic chipset, we can enjoy immersive gaming experience, we can watch 4K videos and also higher FPS videos and higher FPS games we can play on this smartphone. So this was our review. Hope you like our video, and if you like our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update from review therapy. So as I said that at the end of our video, we will show you the detailed specs of the smartphone. So here are the detailed specifications of the iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max. Have a look on all these specs and tell me in the comment box that what was your favorite feature in this smartphone, and would you like to buy iPhone XS or iPhone XS Max? Must give feedback about this smartphone in the comment section. Hope you like our video, so please like, comment and share on our video, and see you in the next video. So stay tuned to our channel and don't forget to subscribe it.
Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love